Let the games begin.
Today's a busy day. It's very nice.
All right, so we're finally here in Tucson. We just got to our warehouse. The lemon tree is doing well, though. It's producing. Too bad I can't hire it to pack rocks, right?
Taking off all of the plastic, and now I gotta see, possibly, hopefully, stuff is underneath the tables, and then I can just go ahead and stock it.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, well, once the table's full, let me know. Getting material out of the Congo for us has been extremely difficult. I know the miners mine the stuff. This guy that I know over there, he goes and he picks it up from the miners for me, and brings it back by hand. And so over the last 2 years, since getting malachite out of the Congo is so hard, this guy is kind of doing it for me since he lives over there. So you might be wondering what I'm doing here. What I'm doing is I'm high grading. So I'm separating A quality from B quality. So this is A grade, this is going to be B grade. One of the things people might take for granted is the fact that I'm able to do this as quickly as I am, which comes from just years and years of experience. There's been many instances, even in the past, where people have come to me for grading. So that's so sad when this happens. Look at this. This is one of the nicer pieces right here, and it came broken. That was one of probably the best piece I'm looking at so far. My separation from A to B might not make sense. I'll explain just a little bit why. One of the things I'm looking at is density of material. I'm looking at polish, and I'm looking at formation. And you might look at this and be like, Chris, why did you leave this rock in the beat pile? Because this is actually closer to nicer than everything else on the table. It's because there's a lot of iron content in this rock, and it's very, very heavy. So this is going to be a rock that's quite expensive, whereas, for example, you can see the density here. The quality of it is A grade. I'd have to sell it for B grade because it's so heavy and so dense. I'm not just looking at what's the prettiest, shiniest, sparkliest thing, because the prettiest, shiniest, sparkliest thing here is broken. Max, my brother, he picked up this piece right away, and it is a piece that I picked up right away, but because the polish here is not really a wet polish or a really good quality polish, you can see the difference in polish. This is more of a matte polish. This is your A grade polish. So this matte polish right here, it just doesn't make the cut for me.
So I'm unpacking stuff, getting stuff from the pallets. Chris is dealing with clients. Max is on a video call right now. And it's a nice busy day. I like it.
Allie looks like a fembot. Austin Powers?
Never seen it.
Christmas Nurse?
Normally Chris handles the video calls because he knows the pricing for everything, and he gives people really good deals too.
A lot of days of people coming in, buying stuff. My goal this whole trip is to empty this warehouse as much as I possibly can. I really wanted to try to clean and organize this section a little bit. This section is so disgusted.
Part of the warehouse looks like it exploded with stuff, and then out there looks like there's a lot. The whole pallet just came today.
We're just trying to unpack stuff and organize stuff and get ready for the show that's about to start.
What I'm doing right now is restocking the sphere table, but it is such a pain to get out. So what I do is I pop it, not pop it.
Well, there's some nice druzy ones in there, actually. I'm so pretty. Now that that's over.
Do you a pallet open or do that?
I mean, honestly, I don't know.
So Tucson's a completely different beast. And what I mean by that is we work a lot longer hours out here because we are such on a time crunch.
You should say something like, ta-da.
Yeah.
And if we get behind one day, that means that we have to work double the next day. So it's super important that we work hard and long out here than in New Jersey.
We're gonna have a long live streaming happening. So last year I wound up buying out a booth in Denver, and we only unpacked a portion of it, and now we left the rest of it here, and we're here unpacking it now and going through it and seeing what we have, because actually we're a lot of this stuff is even surprise stuff. But you got pawpaw shell here, which is look at that, that's gonna be gone in 60 seconds.
So what I'm looking for right now is the malachite. And I don't know if I'm gonna find it, but it's called malachite in pairs. Wow. This is top pieces right here. Hey, Chris. Yeah. Found the malachite pairs.
Are they nice?
Yeah.
How are they attached to each other though? Is there a glue strip in the back?
Yeah.
That's just a piece of tape?
Yep. So I'm unpacking something really cool right now. It's called sea scorpions, and these are officially from New York. I've never seen this material before, so it's really, really cool. So neat. Diopside right here. This one looks like it has tourmaline and mica onto it, which is super neat. That's a really nice one. This one's cool too. You could see galena that grew with it. Really like that one that I just unpacked. So you have the rainbows right up in there.
Hi, I'm Daniel, the Mystical Mandala. I've been shopping with Chris and from the mines for, I think, about almost 3 years. I love coming down here and not only seeing all the guys and everyone, just getting to be with all the crystals and the stones. It's really great to like hand pick what you want. Chris has got some of the best stock. I'm not just saying that, best prices obviously, but it's just a great experience. You know, once you find someone who's reputable and who you can trust, they really build that relationship. Yeah, I'm here for life, that's for sure.
Typically people, like for us, we're an appointment based. We kind of need appointments to happen because I want to give people that individual service, make sure that I'm free enough to take their sale. But the problem is that like, you know, if I have a 10 o'clock appointment booked, I'm in here ready at 9:45, like I don't have to be if someone's not showing up. So it kind of stinks when someone books an appointment and then just doesn't show up, no note of nothing, just like, it's not super common, thank God, but yeah, I mean, we're looking forward to another, like, today's day 3, we got Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So we're supposed to be starting the live now. I'm gathering pins. Max is making sure that we have stuff ready for that. Chris is checking out clients, and I am trying to get everything prepared so then whenever Chris is done checking out clients, we could just boom and go.
How's everybody doing? I'm just gonna give everyone a couple minutes to get in.